Hello 426 Kitchen Minds, how are you doing? I hope you're doing good and you're taking life a step at a time. In today's video, I will show you how I made this beautiful Ogbono soup. Lately, I've been making Ogbono soup in different ways and they've consistently turned out really delicious, and this is one of them. All I did was to wash goat's meat properly, introduce it into the pot, introduce stockfish, introduce pepper, seasoning, onions, and I'll stir everything to combine. Cover this and allow it to cook for up to 10 to 15 minutes before I introduce water to cook the meat properly. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. After introducing the water, I introduced this little catfish. It's a bit difficult. I covered and brought it to a boil for another 15 minutes, and when I open up, I will introduce the Ogbono. Here I'll introduce a beautiful amount of crayfish that will help bring out the taste of the soup, and I'm using prawns. You can decide to use any crayfish of choice. Whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. After stirring properly to combine, I covered the soup and allowed it to cook for another 10 minutes, and when I open up, I introduced dry fish. I'll also introduce more pepper because the soup wasn't giving the heat that it was supposed to give. You can also introduce fresh pepper at this point if you want. I want to welcome you to 426 Kitchen, and I know you love what we do. That's why you stayed up until this time. Please subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. For the new subscribers, also do well to share our videos with your family and friends. Thank you once again. Now this consistency is what I'm going for, but if you love your soup a bit thicker, right, introduce your water bit by bit until you get to the consistency you love. And here I'll be introducing another batch of crayfish to tie down the taste of the soup. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, I'm never the same. After stirring, I covered and allowed the soup to simmer again for another 5 minutes, and when I open up, I stirred. I'll introduce uziza leaf. You can introduce bitter leaf or vegetable leaf, anyone works. And after stirring, I'll cover and allow it to cook for another 2 minutes. The soup will be ready. Into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. And this is the outcome of the soup. Very delicious and simple. The soup came out very well. Will you be trying the soup? Let me know in the comment section. And this is the finished part of the soup. The soup looks so beautiful. Thank you for watching. Till I see you in my next video. Do have a pleasant day. Bye bye.